Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can make highlights on Instagram. Let's get started. Open up Instagram application in your mobile device and then log in to your account. Once logged in, swipe right from your home screen to open up the camera. And at the bottom, you'll be able to find a gallery icon to open up your camera roll. Simply tap onto it. And just like that inside here, simply select a video or photo you want to use for your story. So once you have selected your photo, simply tap on your story to share it on your story. So once the story has been shared on your story, simply tap onto it. And then inside here, simply tap on highlight. Now type a name for your highlight and then tap on add. And that's it. To look back on your highlight, simply tap on your profile icon. And inside here, you'll be able to find your highlight right over here. And that's it. You have successfully created an Instagram highlight. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.